With cases on the rise in Hamilton County, leaders and health officials are urging members of the public to continue the practice of social distancing. County Mayor Jim Coppinger addressed this afternoon a fishing tournament that was held on Saturday, where reportedly hundreds of people were in attendance. Our Jake Chapman joins us now. And Jake, you went by Chester Frost Park. What did you see today?
I saw a lot of people out there and they were pretty close together. If you look at my monitor right here, you could see a lot of people not social distancing right now. And a couple people that I spoke with this afternoon said they understand people wanting to get outside, but they need to take these safety guidelines to heart. Sienna Madonis and Mason Porter say it was a perfect day to be outside.
It was really bad.
But they weren't expecting the crowds they saw at Chester Frost Park on Thursday.
Still a lot of gathering going on.
Like 30 people back there, but they're all coming in like they're all carpooling together too, which is still kind of dangerous.
If you know the risks involved with coming out in large groups, and all these health experts who have education far above and beyond what we do, telling us not to gather like this, and then you do, that's kind of on your own terms.
Mayor Jim Coppinger says he's noticed people breaking social distancing guidelines as well, and the governor's order still restricts social gatherings of 10 or more people. He says if people don't follow these guidelines, then he'll close the parks.
We'll be asked not only to social distance, but you'll be asked for your group to separate.
He brought up these concerns on Thursday after learning about a fishing tournament hosted by the Northwest Georgia High School Anglers Association reportedly had hundreds of people in attendance.
Our people were caught by surprise on the weekend, but have clear direction now. When they were doing the weigh-in, when people tend to congregate, there shouldn't have been more than 10 people there, and it won't happen again.
We asked the association about the tournament. They tell Channel 3 their groups gathered, quote, maybe overall, but never at one time. And, quote, families were huddled together, but for the most part, everyone was pretty well distanced.
The message is you should not show up at Chester Frost Park with a group of 10 or more.
But Madonna says there are ways for people to be outside and social distance.
Out here just to get good exercise. People like run and bike and stuff like that. I don't think there's anything wrong with that necessarily.
Now, Coppinger did say the park and the docks at Chester Frost will remain open for the time being, with no crowds exceeding 10 or more people. In the studio, Jake Chapman, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Jake, thank you.